Okay, today I will work on my ATV grizzly 660 4-wheel drive. I have problem is not start. It start early, but because light on the neutral position is not on, then they cannot start it because the computer don't know what the neutral position is not on, and then you're not allowed to start. Okay, I removed the box, the air filter box. You have two screws here and here, and unscrew this from the bottom and then remove it. The position sensor is right here on the right hand side. The two screws here. I will take it out and clean it, see how it works. Cannot see another side. You see, I point the camera to it. See, you can see right there. I cleaned already. I will clean the spot right there, the contact point. Okay, put back everything. Then I try. Neutralize still not coming on. I might be need to replace the new position sensor, and then we'll let you know. See, I will order that. See how it put together and its work is this connector right here. Connector right here. It connect to the wire to the position sensor. It's right here. This one. I checked the broken wire, is nothing broken. I noticed sometimes it's on, sometimes it's not on. Sometimes the lights not on, but it still work because the contact here. Maybe I will try order new one. Okay, I ordered the position sensor from Amazon. It's about $20. You can do the research in Amazon, the position neutral sensor. I put a new one in here. The old one I took it out. This old one. It doesn't come with the O-ring. Okay, I have to remove the O-ring from the old one to put on that one, new one. Okay, when I put it on, let's try. Turn on the key. Okay, I turn on the key. Is light on neutral. That means I can start. Okay, now I have to put back the air filter box and everything back, and then I will start. See it work. Okay, right now I install the filter box. I put a new air filter box, and I have to clean the carburetor last month. So before this cord have problem with go to the high speed, I go up only 20 miles an hour, and then it slow down and make a lot of noise like gunshot. So I clean the carburetor. After that is run good. It go up to 30, 40, 50 miles an hour, but I still have intermittent the starting because the position sensor that I just replaced it. Okay, now I turn on. Okay, lights on that neutral. Let's see, start it. try working. Okay, seemed it worked for me, so it's pretty good gas. So thank you for watching.